Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Ease. Let me introduce tenses to you. Look at the sentences. I write this letter to please you. I wrote the letter in his very presence. I shall write another letter tomorrow. Now in sentence 1, the verb write refers to present time. In sentence 2, the verb wrote refers to past time. In sentence 3, the verb shall write refers to future time. Thus, a verb may refer to present time, to past time, or future time. A verb that refers to present time is said to be in the present tense. A verb that refers to past time is said to be in the past tense. A verb that refers to future time is said to be in the future tense. I hope this simple video was useful to you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and do leave a comment in the comment section as to what all you want when it comes to tenses. Thank you for watching this video.